all our leaves are finally starting to change. I brought Tulip a sassafras snack. What do you think? And also a yopon holly, which is berries are ripening. Nice red berries. So yopon holly, some willow, sweet gum, and sassafras. As the leaves start to fall off and winter comes, they'll get more, they can still eat the branches, and they'll get more oak, live oak, and then more greens as well, just from the grocery store. I'll get more batteries put in the camera for tonight. Check on Miss Stormy. Hey, honey. How you doing, babes? How you doing, honey? Just saying hi. Okay. Hi. Just seeing what you were eating. It looked like you were eating the yopon holly, huh? Yeah. You ready for your bananas? And your sweet taters? I got them. Come on. Come on. You know you want them. Come on. Come on. Hi. Come on. Sweet tater. Hopefully you enjoy the treats, huh? We have had quite a lot of rain, so our grass seed has sprouted and our pond is nice and full. New ponds are nothing more than dirty water, and especially with the type of clay that we have here, it's like a wet clay pot, and so all the sediment is stirred up, creating this milky color. We still have some erosion that we're battling here on the edges, but ponds over time create their own biofiltration system. So even though water is never perfectly clear in ponds around here, all of this will settle, and then bacteria, algae, and different plants and life will grow, and it will become much clearer and healthy. We also will be bringing some water over from the other pond to seed this one with that healthy bacteria and different life, and so that will help get this kick started. No beavers will be going in here anytime soon. This needs time to sit and grow, get seeded with that other water, and then hopefully by this spring it will be ready for beavers to swim and play in.